nyo na, naiyak pa kayo.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys, we're gonna take out our leftovers just to give it to our dog.
This is what I put my
Put inside and then give it to our dog.
Called Sharon.
Okay, just open your paper bag so I can take a video. Okay, I'm so sorry. We can take a video now. Okay. Hi guys. This is the Mang Inasal of Marley. As you can see, Rowena did put their Mang Inasal inside her bag.
Thank you very much.
And also me, I'm gonna put this. Because my sister gonna
I will never forget.
my sister gonna eat this later. I'm so shy about
Pero
it.
na nakakayan na. They are always looking.
Alam mo,
Ay,
ay
parang
parang
nagugutom sa mundo. Kaya magsasayang ng pagkain.
Okay, let's go.
Bye guys.
Waiting for us to leave because they're going to clean the table.
What time is it now?
Are we going to refill our lipstick or not?